All right, this is Bruce for Hola Prime, taking a look at Bitcoin, the pound dollar, and the Nasdaq 100. Starting with Bitcoin daily chart, we broke this trend line here, and now it is attempting to recover that trend line given the outside day bullish reversal that triggered today. But look where resistance was seen, the 20 moving average purple there with the day's high of 83,507. So a breakout above that is sustained above the 20 moving average has a potential to keep rising. The 50 moving average potential resistance is at 85,792, and the 200 moving average, the more significant level, is at 86,977. Now, it's also interesting that we have these two lines converging around the trend line right about above where price is right now. Many times that can act as a magnet to draw price to it, but also if a breakout occurs, it could be a significant breakout given the combination of the downtrend line and the two moving averages. Nevertheless, we've got a pretty wide range here, so it certainly could chop around within this range before something different happens. Moving on to the pound dollar, I've talked about this recently a couple times. Because of this parallel trend channel, the potential bounce off the bottom with the 50 moving average and the trend line that is defined by these two lows right here, confirmed right here by both days actually, because you can see that each day hit the trend line close enough certainly because we have higher lows there. So and you can see that it's advanced above the blue 200 moving average, and it remains above it. That is bullish. So the potential for further upside exists. I just want to review this from when we were looking at it before as well, because now we have a potential double bottom also on this intraday 2 hour pattern. I don't see any particular setup just yet, but it deserves to be watched because we have the potential to go to back to the top of the channel. Not that it will make it to the top, but at least we'll try. And so I would say the 20 moving average here, 29.22, is certainly a realistic potential target, keeping in mind that it is falling. So the price represented is going to decrease. And then finally, we have the NASDAQ 100 up 12% today. And if anybody follows the U.S. markets, you saw the significant bullish moves following the 90-day, I guess it was grace period for some of the tariffs. But what's interesting here is that the high of the day found resistance at the purple 20 moving average. So the market is still recognizing it. It broke through this trend line, recovered back above that line. That's bullish from being very oversold. And now it's hit the 20. So this is a pretty wide range where the U.S. markets can chop around within that range for some period of time before it determines what is going to happen next. Now, let's see what happens. I mean, if we keep going on this rally or we pull back a bit and consolidate, I think pulling back a bit and consolidating would be the more likely scenario and also the healthier scenario for the market. But that doesn't mean anything. We'll have to wait and see what happens. All right, that is it for today. Have a great week.